right now.
Number 109.
Run the wiring for all the cars. This has been What's up, guys? Welcome to another awesome video. And unfortunately, we're not driving the Type S today. And today is track day. I know. I was expecting to be driving the Type S after all the modifications that I did, after the dyno tune and everything. It didn't want to start. I plugged in K-Tuner, I ran diagnostics, and it came in as misfire on cylinder 3. The engine's healthy. You know, it didn't have any issues at all on the dyno. It made great power. It has to be some sort of sensor that is causing the misfire, but we'll see from there. No big deal. I am driving the STI, and that's the beauty of owning 2 track cars. Like, this is my daily, and I can just hop in it and go toss it at the track, man, and just have a blast. Most of you hate on the STI. I don't know why. It's still Japanese, still an amazing car. I mean, if you just hate on it because you just hate on it, that's too bad. This car is amazing. If you haven't tried it out, go test drive one, man, because you might be just missing out and you just don't know it. You're just hating on it just cause. This is my first time kind of pushing the car like that. Driving on the streets, you don't really get a feel for what the car is capable of. You do get a sense of it, but in a controlled environment like the track, it's completely different. So now we're heading to Thompson Speedway. We're gonna meet up with James, J.DC5. You guys might know him from Instagram. Check him out if you haven't. Great dude. It's a friend of mine. Yeah, he's gonna meet me there. It was supposed to be both of our Type S's, but things happen. So it's gonna be a nice comparison regardless. Type S versus STI. See how it does. That should be super fun. I think it's gonna be a great battle for sure. So I got my cameras, I got my GoPros. I bought a GoPro for this day too. So I'm gonna have better angles, and it should be a lot of fun. So our car is fully registered. We checked in and everything. So we just finished our sessions. The car is performing pretty good. No issues or anything. It was just a pace lap. We got James. What up, dog?
Oh, nothing. Just hanging out with my wicked awesome key and keychain.
Oh, all right. Shameless merch plug. I love it. Representing. Too bad my car is not here though.
One of 2.
One of 2 though. His car is doing well.
So far, so good.
So far, so good. We haven't really started pushing them yet, but we'll see. She looks great as always. Got his helmet, interior, which he bought from me. Look at this minty seats, man. Awesome. Steering wheel, push button start. I love it, the whole 9. But so far so good, guys. We have a bunch of Type R's on the floor right now. That was S2000. There it is. Nice. We have one person came to see us, came to join us. So, but all right, they're calling us. Let's start it up. So we're getting our helmet on, we're getting everything on. This should be super exciting. First race on the SDI. So happy.
Session the paddock, all Cody novice experienced drivers, 5 minutes. Grab that helmet, don't forget the helmet, and head around the back side.
Oh, we have a Type R. I don't know if you guys saw it, but it was a Type R. Track mode enabled. Yeah, buddy. We're good to go. Sport sharp. Differential rear bias. So we should have some more power in the back instead of all-wheel drive, you know, like 50-50. Let's do it! Alright guys, so I wanted to try out one of these voiceover features that my editor has, and I just wanted to narrate a little bit what's going on here. So I was coming in pretty hot in this one. The previous clip it was much slower, and this one is a lot faster. It's probably one of my fastest lap yet. But I was coming in pretty hot. I was not holding back on the SDI. This curve right here is pretty tough. It's a long sweeping curve, and you have to time it perfectly because in the exit it's pretty tough. Apologize for the audio. This GoPro 7 I believe I bought, it doesn't have good mics, so I'm gonna have to buy some external mics. But I was so fast on this one. On the straight right here, I'm just ripping out well over 120 miles an hour at this point. Awesome stuff. I've been doing pretty good with the downshifts, guys. I know a lot of you guys were telling me in my previous track day, on my first track day, that I wasn't downshifting, red matching, but on this one I was. It's just one of those skills that you just have to try and learn. Here I'm just going inside the pit. So the instruction telling me to go in the classroom. There we discuss like what happened and whatnot. I absolutely love this track events. Very nice, organized and everything. Good people. Yeah, we're just parking the car and letting it cool off. Here I wanted to show you guys, if you notice, I put the e-brake up and then I put it back down. Always make sure to leave it down, because after you come in on a hot lap, you can actually damage and warp your rotors because it's so hot. So just leave it in gear. You know, it's a flat surface, so you'll be all right. But don't set the e-brake because it's just way too hot.
No, I was ripping it. Oh.
And open up your engine hood
We had one more lap,
to let the heat escape.
If I didn't get stuck behind people,
But yeah, we had a great time. Absolutely loved it. I did not get to record the last bit on this. I just enjoyed the rest of the day. But yeah, we just took some shots. As you can see, we were taking some shots, and they came out pretty good. James over here took a selfie of us. Good stuff. Then we just went out for a dinner and bought the guys some food and thanking them for coming in. But too bad we didn't bring the DC5. But all in all, it was a great day. The STI is a beast, so you can see. Freaking blast. I absolutely love this car. But thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I didn't get to finish it, but all in all, it was a great day. And yeah, so thanks for watching, and until the next one, peace.